Ladies and gentlemen, the cultural ties between Uzbekistan and Pakistan are the product of centuries of interaction among the people on both sides. The historic trade route that once connected Samarkand, Bukhara, Khiva with Peshawar, Lahore, Multan, Thatta, and other historic places carried not only silk, spices, and precious stones, but also poetry, wisdom, architecture, philosophical thought, religious teachings, Sufism, and jurisprudence that profoundly shaped the identity of Central and South Asia. Three major Muslim empires have been formed in the South Asia. First was Delhi Sultanate, established in 1206 by Qutbuddin Aibak. Second was Timurid Mughal Empire, established by Zahiruddin Babur in 1526. And now Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which is established by Muhammad Ali Jinnah in 1947. This is an unbreakable link of Pakistan with Central Asia and particularly Uzbekistan. To understand Pakistan's independence in 1947, we must begin in 1857, when the course of Muslims of the subcontinent was irrevocably altered. In this sense, Pakistan is not an abrupt break with the past, but the continuation of a long struggle and an older civilization. One may rightly argue that Pakistan is not merely 78 years old. In civilizational terms, it is 819 years old. Pakistan is a continuity of the Timurid Mughal dynasty, which itself extended the legacy of the Delhi Sultanate. Yes, the state assumed its modern form in 1947, yet the age of our homeland in this region is far older, carrying forward the political, cultural, and intellectual inheritance of the Turkic and Afghan dynasties of the Indo-Pak subcontinent. Respected participants, the Timurid Mughal dynasty, which gave South Asia its architectural and cultural magnificence, drew its lineage from the Timurid dynasty of Central Asia. Before the colonial period, Mughal India was one of the world's economic powerhouses. At its peak, the subcontinent's share of the world GDP was enormous, standing at about 27% before colonization. Such numbers reflect a sophisticated system of agriculture, vibrant trade, both inland and maritime, textile production, metalwork, and urban centers that were among the most advanced of their era. The Mughal court's patronage led to flourishing of state-of-the-art calligraphy, miniature painting, garden design, monumental architecture such as Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, Taj Mahal, Humayun Tomb, and many others, which continue to inspire the world of architecture. In the present time, these rich legacies are unfortunately under severe threat. In India, Hindutva leaders are driven by a narrow and violent agenda that threatens to dismantle India's rich social and architectural heritage. There has been an alarming trend of renaming cities, streets, public places, even historic gardens to remove references to Turk, Mughal, and Muslim heritage. For example, number one, the iconic Babri Mosque was demolished in 1992. Number two, Mughal Garden at Rashtrapati Bhavan was renamed Amrit Udyan. Number three, the city of Allahabad was renamed Prayagraj. Faizabad rebranded as Ayodhya. Number four, Mughal Sarai railway station was changed to Deen Dayal Upadhyaya station. Number five, the only chapter devoted to Mughal history in Indian high school education was omitted from the curriculum by the National Committee of Educational Research and Training in 2023. Number 6, in 2017, chapters on the Mughal and Delhi Sultanate were removed by Maharashtra government from the history books, even removing the mention of monuments. Number 7, many street signs in New Delhi carrying Urdu or Muslim names, including Aurangzeb Road, were painted black by Shiv Sena Hindustan, a radical Hindutva organization, and later names of many roads were officially changed. These are not isolated acts of renaming. They represent a broader pattern of erasing the visible marks of Mughal, Turkic, or Turco Indian Islamic heritage. Against the backdrop, Pakistan has been active both at formal and informal levels to preserve the Muslim heritage that forms so much of its cultural identity. Let me mention just a few examples. Number 1, in education and institutions, Military College Jhelum has a Babur House named in the honor of Zahiruddin Babur, the founder of the Timurid Mughal dynasty in Delhi. Number 2, in nomenclature of military systems, Pakistan missile program features names of Muslim heroes including Babur, Taimur, Ghori, Ghaznavi, etc. These names serve as reminders of the heritage of military leadership and cultural connection, not only of the past, but as part of our present identity and ethos. Number 3, in Pakistan Military Academy Kabul, 1st Pakistan Battalion consists of companies namely Khalid, Tariq, Qasim and Salahuddin. The 2nd Pakistan Battalion consists of 4 companies called Ghaznavi, Babur, Aurangzeb and Tipu. Number 4, Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque and related historical sites are well preserved. Number 5, in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, many Mughal era structures have been included in protected heritage list like Gor Gathri, Peshawar, preserved houses built in Mughal and pre-Mughal periods through projects like the Cultural Heritage Trail from Ghantaghar through Bazar-e-Kalan. These examples show that state of Pakistan, Pakistan's military, civil society, and educational institutions recognize that heritage is integral to Pakistan's identity, and aforementioned examples are part of our conscious effort to hold fast to that history. Dear participants, in today's world, the work of promoting culture and preserving heritage is of paramount importance. However, such efforts cannot succeed without a thriving economy. It is a matter of great satisfaction that the volume of bilateral trade between Pakistan and Uzbekistan has increased nearly tenfold between 2017 and 2024, for which I would like to commend His Excellency Ali Sher Tokhtayev, Ambassador of Uzbekistan to Pakistan, and his counterpart in Tashkent for their commendable efforts. Some other technical aspects can be mentioned here, which my colleague from Muslim Institute will cover in his presentation. At the end, I would like to express my gratitude to the distinguished dignitaries and scholars who will be participating in the second session of this conference, which will also include a brief interactive segment. I would like to once again thank the Embassy of Uzbekistan for their academic cooperation, to the Uzbek delegation for being here, sir. Thank you very much. And to all dignitaries, scholars, guests, and especially our excellencies, ambassadors, and other diplomatic staff from different embassies. I'm highly thankful to all of you for your very kind participation. Thank you very much.